Hello, everyone. My name is Donna Roberts. I'm a senior customer success coach with Bright MLS, and I am here today to make sure that you know about one of my favorite features in the Nestfully mobile app. We're going to jump into one of these listings here, and we're going to scroll down towards the bottom, right under the schools. We'll have local details. So if you see this information here, right now it's set on amenities. It's giving us scores. So groceries getting a 9.4. There's at least one grocery store within a few minutes walk. You can see the description right here. If I tap on that little information bubble, it says a measure of the quantity of nearby grocery stores. We can see we have close by restaurants, shopping, and cafes a little bit farther away. If I tap into this drop-down box, I can also look at things like transportation. So we can see that the best method of transportation is going to be walking. All day-to-day needs are within walking distance. And again, this is a measure of how many basic services can be reached on foot and how pleasant it is to walk to them. So these are great features. If I was a buyer, I would be really interested in these kinds of details. So make sure that you're sharing this information with your buyers, having them go in and take a look at these, because these can make a difference in whether or not I want to purchase that property or not. So this one, for example, is telling us it's best to walk. It's least pleasant to drive in the neighborhood. Dropping down, you can take a look at education. So we have daycares, at least one daycare within a 5-minute walk. Super. Primary schools and high schools. We have character. So this being nightlife, vibrancy, and quiet. So it is not a quiet place to live, right? But if you want to go out all the time, it's going to be perfect for you. So again, really great information for your buyers as well as you to help educate your buyers. So yeah, a variety of bars right on the street. Next up, we have nature. It's getting a 10 out of 10 for parks. Very large amount of park space within a few minutes walk. And then the last one we have here is wellness. So wellness, we have a variety of amenities within a few minutes walk that cater to physical activity and healthy eating. So just to give you a heads up, I don't know if a lot of you knew that this feature was down here, but it is very cool and very helpful. So please take advantage of it and share this with your buyers. Have a great day.